Assalamu alaikum. I am Mariam Ali and today I am explaining a Proteus design circuit of BCD to SS3 by MUX. Here, as MUX represents the multiplexer having a number of control inputs that are used to select the appropriate data for the input. Here for the Proteus, I selected a multiplexer 1 of 8 having represented as 74151. So in this multiplexer, it contains 8 line multiplexers and 3 selected line, that is A, B and C. To design this circuit, I get the help of this truth table. Let's get into this truth table. It contains 10 inputs from 0 to 10 and which gets some output combinations of W, X, Y and Z. So for this we can see that at 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, which is 0 in the decimal 2, and in the output of this input we can see 0, 0, 1, 1, which in decimal represent 3. So by adding 3 to 0 we get output of 3. Similarly, let's get the last one input, that is 9, 1, 0, 0, 1 in the binary. So this out at this input, the output we get is 1100, which is 12. So by adding 3 to 12, 3 to 9, we get 12. So by this, we can say that by adding 3 to the input, we get output. Um, so for designing this circuit, I set some suitable combinations like for the Z. First, let's get into the Z. As for Z, we can see that it is a knot of T, and that is why for the output of Z, I directly connected it to the NOT gate. As it is clearly shown in the truth table that 01T input get 10Z output. So it is like Z is the knot of T. After that, let's get into the Y. As for the Y, for the all W, X and Y, I put a multiplexer sum 4151 3 multiplexer. So for the Y, I get combinations like D complement, D, D complement, D and D complement. So it is like on off switch. First it get off, then it get on, like that. So it follows the D, like firstly it get complement of D, then it get following it, and then it get complement D. So like the on off switch. And the next output X. For the X I get the combination like D, 1, 0, 0 and the D. So it is like that. And for the 1 and 0, which are the fixed, here are the permanent high and the permanent low. So after this combinations and the multiplexer, it is also done by the logic gates, but I done it by the multiplexer. Let's get into the simulation of it to check whether it worked properly or not. So let's get into the first input, that is BCD input 0. When all are 0, we can see that it is 0011 at W, X, Y and Z. Let's get to the seventh one, 0111. So 0, 1, 1 and 1. For that, we can see that we get 1010, which represent 11 in the decimal. So it has clearly shown that BCD to SS3 by MUX, we have to add some